Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. So today we'll be dealing with all the PYQs that has come from missing letter, okay, or letter series. Okay, let's get started. So what is this? Now, first thing that we always do is, I'll tell you the steps. First we count the number of letters. Okay, first thing is we count the number of letters, and based on, like for example you get 15, so then it can be divided into groups of 3 or 5, correct? Similarly, if you get 16, then groups of 4. So that way we decide the number of letters in each group, and then we divide it into groups. Then you do what? Then you write one group below the other. So first is count, then divide the groups and arrange it, that is one below the other. You'll see how. Then there is very simple step. First you try to make them exactly same. First we try to make each group exactly same. If that does not work, then we try to make them alternatively exactly same. If that also does not work, then we try to make them made up of same letters, just cyclic. For example, A B C D, A D B C, A B D C. So like that, just the letters are same, just the orders are changing. So basically this is called cyclic. And then if that also does not work, then you do what? Then you think in terms of repetition. So if there is repetition, so in repetition you try to manage equality. That is, if let's say B is repeated twice, then you also try to make A repeat twice, C repeat twice, like that. That way, if you follow this, you will get to the answer. Okay, then let's get started. So first thing, count the number of letters. How many letters are there? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So there are total 15 letters. So groups can be divided into 3 or 5. If there is an option to divide it into 5 or 4, choose these. These are most often the correct way. Okay, now let's divide it into groups of 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's write them. C dash A, C C, then A dash A, then dash B, C dash B. Okay, these are the 3 that you get. Now let's see. So this is the pattern. Now if you see, can you make them exactly same? No. You have C here, A here, cannot make them exactly same. Other is, can you make them alternatively same? No. C here, B here, these also cannot be done. Then next thing is, can they be made of same letters in cyclic order? No. Next is, you try to see the repetition and give same repetition to all the letters. So here A is repeated twice in the front, twice at the back. Similar you do with C here. So C is repeated twice here and twice here. Correct? Now here C is repeated twice, C is repeated twice, A is repeated twice, A is repeated twice. So you want to B also to repeat twice and twice. Fine. Now you have A here, C here in the middle. What is remaining? B should be in the middle. So that's why you get the series C triple B. B becomes your answer. Understood? What you did? First you count the number, then you divide it into groups, then you try to make them exactly same. This was not possible. Then you tried for alternative same. That was also not possible. Then cyclic, made up of same letters. That was also not possible. Then you saw with respect to the repetition mein equality. So there should be equality with respect to repetition of all letters. So then you tried that, you got the answer. Okay, then next, yeah, next is this. Now, so what is this question? So it says this. Now fill in the 6 blanks. Now first thing, we count the number of letters. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so there are total 18 letters. What are the groups possible? 6 or 3. Any way you like, does not matter in 3 or 6. Why? Because in 6 or 3 does not matter, because 3 is exactly half. So same pattern usually follows just in half. Now let's divide it into 6. Okay, so this is dash b dash a dash b, then a dash b dash a b, then a b dash a b. Correct? This is the pattern. Now, now, now let's try to find out. So let's try to see. So what is the pattern here? So a dash and A, B. Now, can I make them exactly same? I've divided them into groups. Can I make them exactly same? B, B, B. Okay, no issues here. You see A, fine. A, fine. B, B. Okay, so it can be made same. It can be made same. So let's try to make them exactly same. So this becomes A. This becomes B. This is B, B. This is A. So you get A triple A double B double A B. A double B double A B, A double B double A B. All these can be made exactly same. So answer becomes what? AB, 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 AB. Fine. Then next. Next, let's see this one. Again, do what? First you count the number of letters. How many letters are there? So let's say 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5. So there are total 5 fours are 20 letters. So either 5 or 4, both will work. Both will work. Okay, now that I have marked it, let's use 5. So this becomes what? A B C dash dash. Then next is A B C dash D. Then next is A B B C D. Then dash A B C D. Okay, now can they be made exactly same? No. Correct. Here you have A, here you have B. Can they be made alternatively same? No. A and B, you cannot make them alternatively same. Can they be made up of same letters? Very difficult. Correct. Next is with respect to repetition. Now whenever you see a group like this that is completely known, that is your best hint. Now here B is repeated twice. Now this same opportunity should be given to all other letters. So here, if B is repeated twice, which letter can repeat here twice? Only possibility A, because AA, correct? So AA, then BB, next would be CC, next would be DD. This is the pattern. So answer becomes DDCA. DDCA. Understood? Simple. Just follow that flow chart. Then next. Yeah, let's try this. So A dash BCD dash BBCD, all that. Okay, let's count the number of letters. So 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5. Let's write them. So A dash B C D dash B B C D, then A B C dash D, then A B C dash D. Now, what might be the pattern? Again, can you make them exactly same? Can you make them exactly same? No. B here, C here. Can you make them alternatively same? No. B and C here. Both are not possible. Cyclic is also not very probable. So what you get to? Again, repetition of letters. Here B is repeated twice. What you will do? This is just the opposite question of that, the previous year. So what they are doing? There, it started with repetition of AA, then BB, then CC, then DD. Here, it is just going opposite. So repetition of A here also, because all you have A. So AA, then BB, then CC, then DD. So answer becomes double A, C, D. C. Simple. That is how you have to do these questions. Okay. Then let's move to the last one. Yeah, this one. So what it says, A, B dash dash. Now let's count the number of letters. So this is 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3. Okay. So what it makes? 5, 5, 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So now 18 can be 6 or 3. What do you want? We tried 6 there. Let's try 3 here just to see. Now let's divide it into 3, 3. So this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay. So A, B dash, C, C dash, A dash B, C, C, C dash B, B, then C dash C. Okay. Now, how do you fill this? So first thing is you try to make them exactly same. Is that possible? No. A is here, C is here. Can you make them alternatively same? Is that a possibility? Yes, it is a possibility. Why? Because if you see here, A and A can be made exactly same. Similarly, C and C can be made exactly same, and this also. So alternatively they can be made same. So let's try to make them same if it works. So A, B, next should be what? If you see here I have B, so I fill B here also, and this is fine. Then A, now this will be same. So A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. This is fine. Then let's do same thing. CCC is known, so I'll make this also CCC and CCC. Can you see A double B, triple C, A double B, triple C, A double B, triple C. So this is the pattern. So answer becomes what? BC, BC, BAC, BC, BAC. C becomes the answer. Understood? You just follow the pattern and you can follow that flowchart and you can do any question with respect to missing letters. Okay, that's it for this one. Thank you.